Good evening, guys. It's Wednesday evening, and we're going to do a test, an experiment, see how it turns out. I'm doing one of my handled boards on not one of my wood people, my guy or my girl. Yeah, we are using a piece of knotty pine. Knotty pine. So we're going to make it good pine. We're going to make it look really nice. And we're using the jet black. We are using the color shifts. And we're using rose gold and amethyst. Yeah. And silver. Okay? So this is what we are doing tonight. So thank you for joining me, and let's get started. Come on down. Oh, by the way, guys, don't lean over your heat gun, okay? When you think that it is turned off, it's turned off, all right, but it's still friggin' hot. So luckily that doesn't hurt now, but it sure friggin' did then. Okay, so I spray painted the board black to give it a base, and now I am going to spread, but I better move these out of the way first. And I ordered cups and didn't realize that I had ordered little tiny cups, but that's okay. Should have known when there was so many in a package. Okay, so let's get this spread over the board and down the edges. Just spread it lightly with your hand. I love this part. I don't know why, I just do. It feels cool. It's like finger painting when we were kids. And some of us still do. And I enjoy it. So I hope you guys have been having a great week so far. We have a new member in the group. Rinska Duna has joined us. So, you know, if you guys want to meet her and see some of her work, come on into our group. It's Resin Artists Without Borders on Facebook. So, got it. Okay, so I'm thinking, because you're not telling me, so I'll come and peek. Yep, we got it done. We got it done. So here's what I want to try. Instead of doing something kind of controlled, which I know that's funny to say because you can't with resin, I was thinking of dipping my silicone whisker thing into the color. And just having fun with it. And if this doesn't work, I can always just swipe it, right? Okay, so this is obviously the red. Okay, I'm going to clean that off. Doesn't mean I won't come back to the red. This is the green. A little bit more green. Okay, like I said, we can come back to it. Let's go with the blue now. Now you know why I move things away from the board. Kind of looks like a party going on in here. Confetti. Look at the colors. These color shift colors are friggin' awesome when it comes to putting them on black. They just are so vibrant. Okay, so now let's move on to the violet. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty. Okay, I'm thinking maybe a little bit more red, which was our first color. And now what I think I want to do before I go any further is I want to heat this up with my torch and see if anything happens. I don't want to move it around. I really like the thin lines and the little dots, but this is also giving me time to see. Yeah, see, I don't want it to move too much. This is actually cool. It's not moving anywhere. Okay, maybe a little bit more green. Where are you, green? Yep. You can kind of tell when you mix it up in the cup, there's like a, I don't know if you can see, I think the light's too bright, but there's kind of a tinge to it that tells you what color it is. Okay, so now I think I'll put them on hold for now, and I think, forgot to turn my cup over, I think I'm going to go on now and do the metallics. We've got the rose gold, wow, really shiny. Yep, this could be a real messy situation. Okay, so now let's do the gold. Wow, look at that. That looks so pretty. I like this, so I think I'm gonna add a bit more. Okay, I'm gonna make a nice mold out of you after. So that's what I do with my leftovers, is I make molds, and I've got a ton of them. So, okay, this is the silver. Just breaks up, gives the contrast with the colors. And now let's do last but not least, and then I'll step back and see what I want. We're going to use this Amethyst. Wow, it's pretty too. Excuse me. Okay, so what do you think, guys? I know it's like all over the place, but I kind of like it. It's colorful and festive. What do I need? What do I need? I can see all the colors. The red, the violet, the blue, the green, the purple, which is violet, sorry. No, that gets so purple. Very cool. We've got the amethyst, we've got the rose gold, we've got the gold, and we've got the silver. Okay, so one more little bit of heat to see how it works on the, there we go, we'll get the metallics reacting to the heat. Yeah, I like that. I like when the metallics react to the heat. Just gives you that little bit of something, something. Okay. Okay, so there we go. So, now, I'm going to show you, but I'm not going to put them on right this second because I haven't taken them off of the box yet. But these are the handles that I will put on tonight after I say my goodbyes. But I'm going to bring you down and show you. Here we go. We have got spitter spatter all over the knotty pine. And it just spread out little bits. And we've still got the great threads all through it. And that's all the color shift colors. The gold, the silver, the rose gold. That was fun. Now I'll put the handles on and let them cure where they are. And we'll see how it goes tomorrow. And I may add a little bit of bling. I'm not sure. You will see it in the morning. Anyway, guys, so thanks for joining me tonight. It was short and sweet. I had this planned all day and was hoping it would turn out. It's kind of hard with resin to just kind of split or splat because it does its own thing, and I was afraid it was going to move all over the place, and it didn't, which is fabulous. So that's great. So that's what we did tonight. And don't forget to come and join our group. It is Resin Artists Without Borders, and Rince Kaduna's in there, and all the most amazing artists. And it doesn't have to be resin, guys. We have everybody in there. We've got acrylic artists, we've got glass artists, we've got metal artists, we've got photographers, we've got, you name it, we've got it. And excuse me, Um, you can learn new things. We're learning new things from everybody all the time, and it's kind of cool. And I hope more of you who are in the group feel more confident to do some tutorials so we can learn these these wonderful techniques and other mediums, because that's what's the fun about being an artist, is exploring other avenues. It's an adventure, right? And we're all on it together. Don't forget, Resin Pigment Canada is having its winter sale, and the code for 15% off of everything is holiday sale. So when all one word, holiday sale, and you get 15% off of everything. And the new, brand new, it's coming to my store. It's not going to be in my name, but we now will have, in the next few days, it's here, it's just coming to here. We have a casting resin, and it's supposedly really, really good. So I'll put all the information when I got it up on the website, and yay, we're moving forward, guys. Okay, so you guys all have a wonderful evening. Happy hump day night. Be good, be safe. Bye, guys.